pull out. And then near the end of the period, you can see some cold air massing to the north, and Fred's going to deal with that in the extended forecast. But a fairly dry and fairly cool couple of days coming up. Front sags a little further south tomorrow. That should shut the rain off and keep it dry, and there'll be some sunshine too. All in all, not a bad day, and probably not a bad couple of days coming up. Tonight, the south will be soggy. There'll be periods of light rain. Most prevalent will probably be south of the Turnpike for the nighttime hours. It'll end in Pittsburgh later this evening, past midnight. Southeastern Pennsylvania will hang on the longest. Up north, mostly cloudy skies. If there's some clear patches, especially near Bradford, temperatures will get below freezing there. But anybody who still has a garden, probably fine tonight. On Tuesday, a pretty nice day, actually. There could be a few light showers or sprinkles across the northwest hills as some moderately cool air blows in from the west. Temperatures in the low to mid-50s out there. Pittsburgh getting into the upper 50s. Further to the east, there will be some morning rain. Probably the rush hour will be damp around Philadelphia, but that'll be ending in the morning, and then skies will clear in the afternoon. Temperatures get up to the low to mid-60s there. A light westerly wind, but nothing too exciting going on tomorrow. And then Wednesday, southwesterly breezes will bring some warmer air in ahead of another cold front. There may be a late day shower in the northwest. That's isolated at best. I don't think it will rain anywhere on Wednesday. Temperatures near 60 in Erie, near 60 in State College, mid-60s in Philadelphia. Pleasant day. And will that be the warmest of the week? Fred will tell you in just a minute.
As we head into the extended forecast period, we are going to get one of those shots of early autumn chill, the kind that let you know what seasons are headed our way, but it doesn't look like it's going to last very long. Temperatures will be recovering by the time we get to the weekend and into early next week. Let's take a look first at the water vapor image of the North American continent and adjacent oceans. Remember, in the water vapor, the dry areas show up in orange, the more moist through the grays, the blues. We put it in motion, see a tracer of the wind flow that's carrying those moisture patterns along. And most of the information in this picture comes from this 10 to 25,000 foot layer. There's the upper low pressure system that has been keeping the southwestern United States a little bit more what would you call it, somewhat unsettled than typical. And actually a little piece of that is going to be kind of ejected out and be a problem for us around Sunday or Monday, but not a big problem. It'll be a weakening but fast-moving system. And right in here you can watch the disturbance that's coming in that will eventually be delivering the chillier air that we will have late this week. Here's how it looks on the jet stream as we start on Thursday. Notice by that time the cool colors over the upper Midwest and into the interior Northeast. Northwesterly flow starting to come in on Thursday as a push of Canadian air comes by. But notice how the jet stream tends to retreat back to the north here, and by the time we get into the weekend, the flow is starting to mellow out, and so we think that it is a relatively brief sign for the coldest air to be here only on Thursday into Friday. Here's how